Welcome to Karura Forest. This national park lies in the heart of Nairobi, particularly in the central business district. The reserve was created in 1932 under the British colonial administration. The forest offers a serene landscape with indigenous trees, waterfall, and the historic Mama Caves. It is a premier destination for hiking, mountain biking, bird watching, and dog walking. In this video, I'll take you on an adventure to explore the forest entirely. Welcome to Karura Forest. Hello everybody, so today I came to Karura Forest. It's one of the biggest forests in Nairobi, mainly for people to walk around and explore and appreciate the nature. This is what it looks like. This is Karura Forest. I had just paid my entrance fee, and so right now I'm just coasting through my way until I get to the waterfall, because there's a waterfall and it's a really nice walk. So let's explore what Karura Forest looks like and what you got in Karura Forest in Nairobi. Hi guys, we've got a mountain bike here. It's not a mountain bike actually, it's just a ordinary bike. I'm gonna go try biking now. Then I've got a friend of mine who's waiting for me here, who's gonna show you my biking skills. Don't laugh at me.
أنا بقول شيء قلت له بدي أبغى هلا عليه برا والله بتأخر ليه
Chill man. Yeah, the last bit was rough, but the rest is okay. We're good? I guess you can call that a bit of fun. I'm out of breath, but I think it was really nice. I think it's really nice, and I made good friends there. I'm just gonna continue, but I'm out of breath right now, so I have to take a rest somewhere. But I think that was really nice. So just a minute ago, I actually have paid my fee, and when you pay your fee, normally what you're getting is a map, and that map is gonna help you know your way or navigate your way through the forest. It's pretty big. What they have in every junction is a number and a letter, so like 40A or 40B or 38A, 39A, like that. And so you have to take a picture of the map, otherwise you're gonna get lost. And then with that map, you can use your phone to call back people and to get you if you, in case, get lost. So yeah. So I have left these friends behind. It was really nice interaction because you're always looking for ways to socialize with people, talk to people. The best thing that you can do for yourself is wherever you go, make your own community and kind of get to know people. I'm a pro-social, so you would learn that through me. Right now, I'm walking on one of the paths down to the waterfall, and it looks very, very empty, but it also looks very, very beautiful. I need to show you what this looks like. Here, actually, it says restricted area, meaning you cannot, I don't know if you are supposed to cross it or not, but apparently like you can't. And it says respect the wildlife, and I don't know if I can cross it. I don't know if there are birds here that are very important or if there are other wildlife here. So I'm just gonna look around and see what I can find, any sort of a wildlife. I'm down deep into the forest. I actually just turned my path from here, which you can see there, and I'm into the forest right now. I'm not aware of any wildlife that they said will be there. Yeah, I was thinking I'd actually find some sort of, I don't know, like a giraffe or a rhino somewhere here, but I'm not finding any of that. So I don't know. I might just start getting back to my path and keep looking for more things. And it's kind of getting late, so yeah, I'm just gonna go back now, and I'm gonna see if there's anything else on the way. So yeah, come back with me. So it's actually quite usual to see people coming here for workouts, running and things like that. Just now I met another person who was here until today at 10 a.m. and they were just exploring, and they even brought their lunch here. So it's quite common to see people exercising, people coming here for, I don't know, a day out, because it's very big and you can stay anywhere. And I think safety-wise, it's very safe. I don't know about wildlife. As far as I'm aware, Karura does not have any animals or wildlife. So it's not like the Nairobi National Park where you have a lot of animals going on. So yeah, it's very safe. I still can't wait to get to the waterfall, which was ahead. I think I just took a wrong path maybe. So I'm just gonna get back to the road and go straight. So in case we can find the waterfall there. So yeah, let's go. Head straight to the waterfall. So yes, I didn't get to the waterfall yet, but I have seen signs of smoking. You cannot smoke here. That's what it says here. Yeah, I think it's for the other animals that live here. I'm sure that there is a lot of monkeys that are living in this forest. I can hear a lot of noise from that side of the forest, which means there are monkeys on that side. The other way that I know this is because we actually live nearby. So they come all the time and they come for food. And so they rob houses and they make a lot of mess. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going for a little bit longer to see if that river or lake or the waterfall is nearby. I'm sure we're getting closer, but I'm afraid my phone dies before I get there. And then in that case, we cannot continue. So we're just gonna conclude it here. So you actually have just people all over the place coming for just a moment to relax or to have fun. What you have here is bikes. So you can also come here to do what you think is a mountain biking. I'm not a big fan of biking at the moment. And I came here walking, so I just decided to keep walking. It would be great if I was biking for a minute. But again, it's kind of late and I have to think about those things. And also it's very rough here. There is construction going on the way. So this way is kind of closed. And so you can't actually keep going that way. And it's getting kind of late. So I think the best thing I can do right now is get back to the entrance and grab a coffee there and then head my way back home. It is kind of not the best idea for me not to see the waterfall or a lake or a river and then to go back from Karura Forest. But I think it couldn't get any better than watching these trees. Water is part of the forest, but again, it's a limitation. So this is it. We're still here, but I'm gonna head back, get a coffee, and then catch my boat because it's getting late. And if it gets late and my phone dies, then I'm gonna be stuck here. And so that's the last thing that I would want to do, be stuck in here. So yeah, see you soon at the coffee shop. We were on the last kilometer. We sprinted the last kilometer, and now I'm out here. I was thinking about sitting at that cafe, but I can't sit at the cafe because I was looking for a charger and they don't have a charger to charge my phone and to get back home. But I ordered my Uber bike, so I'm just gonna hop on my Uber bike from here and then that's it. I'm getting back. It's over. It's done. The run is done. The Karura Forest is done.